Hi everyone. This video is about the subtraction of time, in particular when the top number is smaller than the bottom number, so when the top minutes are smaller than the bottom minutes, because it involves renaming. If the top minutes are larger than the bottom minutes, then you don't have to rename and you simply proceed as you would normally with normal subtraction. So in this case we've got 3 hours 23 minutes minus 1 hour and 47 minutes. 3 minus 7 you cannot do. So as you normally do, you rename this 2 and bring it down to a 1 and bring over the 1 over here. 13 minus 7 is 6. You can do it now. So then you've got 1 minus 4. And you have a problem because you can't subtract 4 from 1. You can't say 1 minus 4 because it brings you into difficulties. So you're going to have to borrow an hour from here. So because you're taking an hour over here to use, 3 turns into 2. Go back 1. And because an hour has 60 minutes in it, this is the tens and this is the units, you're going to have to go 6 plus 1. So that's the 60 minutes that you took from here because there's 60 minutes in an hour. 6 plus 1 is 7. Minus, put in 7 there, minus 4 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 2. And there's your answer. 2 hours and 36 minutes. Similarly, on this sum number 2, 5 hours 19 minutes minus 3 hours and 26 minutes. So you can see already that the minutes here is larger than here. So you can't say 19 minus 26, so you're going to have to do some renaming. So this is how you do it. 9 minus 6 is fine, that leaves 3. 1 minus 2, you can't do that. So you're going to borrow an hour from here. So that if you're taking an hour away to bring it over here, 5 becomes 4, go back 1. And then you take the hour over, and because you're going into this side, which is the minute side, it becomes a 60. So it's a 6 because it's in this column, the tens and the units. So it's 6 plus 1, 60 plus 10 because it's in the tens column. 6 plus 1 is 7. Minus 2 is 5. 4 minus 3 is 1. So your answer is 1 hour and 53 minutes. We're going to try 2 more as examples. So in this one you will see we've got 7 hours and 49 minutes minus 5 hours and 53 minutes. 49 minus 53 is not going to work, so it's going to involve renaming and using an hour from here and bringing it over. 9 minus 3 is fine because it's 6. There's no renaming. 4 minus 5, you cannot do it. So take your hour from here. Because you have 7 hours and you're taking 1 out, it becomes 6. The hours come over in the form of 60 minutes. 6 plus 4, that's 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. And then that's your minutes done. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 hour and 56 minutes. In this last example here, you'll see we've got 4 hours and 11 minutes minus 1 hour and 28 minutes. 11 minus 28, you're not going to be able to do that, so you're going to have to do some renaming. 1 minus 8, can it be done? Rename, the 1 becomes a 0, and then you get 11 minus 8, which is 3. 0 minus 2, you cannot do. So you're going to have to take an hour. Steal an hour from here, so that means 4 becomes 3 because you're taking 1. It comes over in the form of 60 minutes, so we call it 6 because we're in the tens column. 6 plus 0 is 6. And 6 minus 2 is 4. You've done your minutes. Now let's move over to the hours. We renamed this and I called it 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 hours and 43 minutes.